3 ways to shrink your swollen feet and ankles. Peripheral edema is a condition where you have a buildup of fluid in the tissues of your feet, legs, or ankles, and sometimes the arms and hands. This can cause puffiness around the feet, which may leave a dent or a dimple when you press into it with your finger. You may have a feeling of heaviness in your lower legs or feet, which can be sore or painful to walk on, and the skin may feel tight and warm, and it may appear stretched or shiny because of the bulging and the swelling beneath it. Now, swelling in the feet or the ankles can be caused by many different issues, such as having poor circulation of vitamin B1 or potassium deficiency, having a fatty liver, heart problems, medications, or being pregnant, to name a few. Fortunately, there are natural remedies and some simple things that you can do at home to draw out this extra or intracellular fluid from your tissues. In this video, we'll be exploring the top 6 ways that you can shrink your swollen feet and ankles back down to normal by fixing the root causes of the problem. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only, so to speak to your doctor if you have any medical conditions. The first item on my list is a powerful natural remedy called Seropeptase. If you wish, you can take a supplement called Seropeptase, which contains 100,000 Seropeptase units on a daily basis to help reduce the swelling in your feet. Seropeptase is a powerful enzyme that's produced by silkworms to help dissolve their cocoon as they metamorphosize into a moth. What's very interesting is that when humans take this as a supplement, it helps to dissolve scar tissue and blood clots in the arteries, the heart, the liver, and the kidneys, in order to improve circulation of blood to and from your feet. This will naturally help to mobilize the extra fluid that's trapped in your feet and significantly can reduce aching, pain, and soreness. In number 2, we're going to talk about fixing your diet with potassium vegetable. You can press your finger into your ankle or your foot, and it leaves a small dimple or a dent. This is what we call pinning edema. This type of swelling is fluid retention, where your body is storing too much water outside of your cells. This is usually caused by eating too many refined carbohydrates like sugar-added drinks, sweets, breads, pastries, cereals, pasta, grains, and all of the flour-based foods. These refined carbohydrates cause your body to retain more salt, which is sodium, and this depletes your potassium. This makes it very difficult for fluid to move in and out of your cells, so it often starts to pull around your feet. So in order to bring down the swelling in your feet and ankles, you simply need to cut down on these refined foods and load up on potassium-rich vegetables instead. Some of the best potassium foods to include in your diet include avocados, beet tops, Brussels sprouts, collard greens, arugula, squash, bok choy, tomato, zucchini, broccoli, and all of the leafy green vegetables. The potassium in these foods helps to lower inflammation and swelling in your heart, liver, kidneys, and circulatory system to move the fluid where it needs to be. Eating these daily to replace the refined carbs will quickly cause your body to dump the extra fluid that's putting the pressure on your feet. Coming back now to number 3, which is dandelion leaf tea. 3. Dandelion leaf tea. For this recipe, you'll need 2 teaspoons of dried dandelion leaves, or you can use 1/4 of a cup of fresh dandelion leaves and steep in 1 cup of boiling water. Allow the dandelion leaves to infuse in the water for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and then drink this 2 to 3 times per day. This drink is a very powerful natural diuretic, which helps to release the extra fluid from your body that's causing the swelling. Now, if your swelling is mostly in the right foot or you have a bloated stomach, this usually indicates that the problem is coming from a fatty or damaged liver. Dandelion leaf tea helps to support your liver in order to bring down the swelling in the feet. You can also eat the fresh washed dandelion leaves and the flowers in your healthy salads, and they have a slightly bitter flavor similar to spinach.